In this video, we're going to show you how to install the passenger side engine splash shield on your Kia Sorento located behind your front wheels. Using a 21mm socket, go ahead and loosen and remove your lug nuts. Go ahead and grab that wheel, remove it, and set it aside. Now with the wheel removed, you're going to go ahead and access the bolts securing our splash shield to the body itself. There's going to be 4 bolts. They're 10mm. There's one up behind the wheel well liner here, one here. There's one up top here. Ours is missing right here. Then there's going to be one here and then one right back here. We're going to use our 10mm with our extension. Loosen and remove. Next, you want to get and remove the one that will be right here. I'm going to come back to this one here. Now the back one over here, we can't get our power tool onto it, so we're going to switch over to a hand ratchet and loosen and remove that. And then just work out the splash shield. Now chances are you're replacing this because it's already broken or shattered or just missing. In our case, I'm going to go ahead and remove that. Set that aside. Go ahead and take your cover, slide this up into place. Go ahead and start to get your bolts lined up. Once we have your hardware installed, let's go ahead and snug everything down. And once he's bottom out, you're pretty much good to go. You want to snug those down. Once that's installed, you're all set with that. Go ahead and grab that wheel, line it up onto those wheel studs. Let's go ahead and get our lug nuts started. Now once we get all of these started, we're going to come back and snug them all down. Let's go ahead and torque down our lug nuts to 75 foot-pounds. You want to do this in a crisscross pattern. And you're all set.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.